I wanted to prove to myself whether there really was a difference between the different shaping methods I was using. This one is the classic one you see all over YouTube and on the internet. It creates a nice tight boule, batard, and works really well. The other method is a little simpler and creates a batard shape that is slightly thinner and longer. I find this works particularly well when the dough is not as sticky. The boules are made with the same flour, same proportions are the same weight. It's essentially one batch cut in half. I mark up the banneton at the end to make sure I remember which one was which. Let's put them in the fridge, overnight, ready for baking the next day. Again, I'm making sure that I know which loaf is which. I do a simple score to also not affect any of the results. Let's put them in the oven and find out how they baked. Here are the two loaves from the two shaping methods. As you can see, look okay. Look okay, do you know which one is which? Let's cut them open and see whether there's any difference. 1, 2, 3, go! No difference. Ears approximately the same. I don't think there's anything in it. So again, don't get too hung up about shaping your bread. Do whatever feels right and get a bit of tension on it and you get a lovely springy loaf. Give it a try and enjoy.